Me what you have for breakfast. What are you eating? Tell Mommy what you have. Do you have bacon? It's a video, honey. What do you have on there? A smiley face?
I eat the bacon. No, it's gone. I eat.
You have some more bacon, don't you?
Up another bacon.
Yeah, another bacon.
Yeah.
And what's the hair made out of?
Hair and the eggs.
Yes.
And heart and the nose and eyes and the mouth. Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Hot.
It's a little bit hot. That's Mommy's pancakes. Whoa. Bradley, I'll share some with you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bradley,
Okay.
how old are you today?
Awesome set.
Okay. Bradley, are you 1?
Yes.
Are you 2?
Yes.
Are you 3?
Yes.
Are you 4?
Yes.
No, you're just 3 years old.
Corner in. Awesome set.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.